Think buying the cheapest option saves you money? It usually doesn't. In fact, cheap purchases are often the most expensive mistake you can make. And today, I'm going to show you exactly why, with simple math, real examples, and a quick formula that can instantly change how you spend money. If you care about keeping more of what you earn, this might be one of the most important lessons you hear this year. Here's what most people do. They see a low price. They feel smart. They buy it, and it feels like a win. But the low price often hides something. Cheap products break faster. They perform worse. They need replacing. And sometimes they even cause extra problems. The result? You end up spending more than if you had bought a better option in the first place. Let me give you a simple example. You buy $20 headphones. They last 3 months, so you replace them 4 times a year. That's $80 in 1 year. Now imagine you bought an $80 pair that lasts 2 years. That's only $40 per year. The cheap option just cost you twice as much. That's not motivation, that's math. There are 3 main reasons cheap purchases become expensive. First, replacement cycles. Cheap items break faster. That means you keep buying them again and again. Second, performance loss. Slow chargers, uncomfortable shoes, low-quality tools. They waste your time and energy, and time has value. Third, hidden costs, return fees, repairs, damage caused by poor quality. Sometimes a cheap product even breaks something else. When you add everything together, the cheap option often isn't cheaper at all. Here's the simple rule that changes everything. Cost per use, or cost per month. The formula is easy. Price divided by expected months of use. Let's go back to the headphones example. Cheap pair, $20, lasts 3 months. 20 divided by 3 equals about $6.67 per month. Better pair, $80, lasts 24 months. 80 divided by 24 equals about $3.33 per month. The more expensive pair costs half as much per month. This one calculation can stop hundreds, even thousands of dollars in wasted spending over time. And it only takes 30 seconds to do. Before buying anything over $20, just pause and calculate. Buying smarter doesn't mean buying expensive. It means buying strategically. Here are 3 simple rules. Rule number 1. If cost per use favors the higher price, consider the higher price. Rule number 2. Check quality signals. Look at materials. Read reviews that mention durability, not just excitement. Check the warranty. A product with a 1-year warranty is usually built differently than one with no protection at all. Rule number 3. Consider used or refurbished. A high-quality item used can outperform a brand new cheap one. Smart buyers focus on value, not just price. Let's apply this to real situations. Shoes. Cheap pair, $30. Lasts 3 months. You'll spend $120 in a year. Better pair, $120. Lasts 12 months. Same yearly cost, but better comfort, better support, fewer problems. Now, chargers. Cheap charger, $5. Lasts 6 months. That's $10 per year. Higher quality charger, $25. Lasts 3 years. That's about $8.33 per year. Better performance, better safety, lower yearly cost. The math keeps telling the same story. Cheap isn't always smart. Now here's something even more important. This isn't just about math. It's about psychology. Stores use urgency, flash sales, lowest price today, limited stock. These tactics push you to decide fast. And when we decide fast, we focus on price, not value. Next time you feel pressured to buy quickly, pause for 1 minute. Do the cost per month calculation. That small delay protects your money. Here's a simple habit you can start immediately. Open your Notes app. Create 4 lines. Item, price, expected months of use, cost per month. Before buying something over $20, fill it out. That's it. This one habit can eliminate impulse waste almost instantly. You might be thinking, I can't afford the higher price right now. That's fair. In that case, you have two smart options. Option 1, save for the better product. Option 2, buy the cheaper one temporarily, but with a plan to upgrade. The key difference is intentional decision making, not accidental spending. When you decide on purpose, you stay in control. Let's recap. Sheet purchases become expensive because of replacement cycles, poor performance, and hidden costs. The solution is simple. Use cost per use. Check quality and warranty. Focus on value, not just price. Small, smart decisions compound over time, and so do small mistakes. Choose the compounding that works in your favor. If this changed how you think about spending, hit the like button. Subscribe for more beginner-friendly finance and money psychology lessons. And in the comments, tell me, what's the worst cheap purchase you ever made? Your story might help someone else avoid the same mistake. Smart money starts with smart thinking. And now you have the formula.